Alright, Dysfunctional RC back again with the Arrma Kraton V5. As you notice, the electronics have been removed. I'm going from the stock setup to the new electronics that I've just picked up. So, out with the old. Done really well, you know. I have no complaints with electronics necessarily. I just wanted to go something a little bit more powerful and hoping to get better results. So I stepped up and got the combination with the Max 6 and the 1650 kV motor. Those are kind of a side-by-side size-wise. So quite a bit larger can, a little bit taller as well. My new motor mount from PPS, which I'll leave a link down below for. Very, very nice design from these guys that allows you to adjust your mesh like nothing else I've seen. So the way it basically works is, so here's the motor mount that gets installed in the truck. There's a grub screw here holding a long bolt. Put that to focus there. There's his logo. So there we go, PPS. And what it does is this goes into here, and this nut on the other side allows you to adjust the in and out of their mesh into your motor. You also have a top plate which secures it down, you know, so your motor is not going to move on you. This isn't the only thing holding it. Now the great thing about his design, again, this is all CNC aluminum and just amazing design. Looks even really cool. But the motor mount itself that attaches to the motor, you can get two different sizes. So this is the standard size, which is going to fit your stock motor up to a 1650. It could be other sizes, just have to check. But he also sells a separate one, which I did purchase. I have put away right now because I'm not using it. But if I were to go to a larger can, an 1100 kV motor or an 800 kV motor, that way if you're putting into a bigger vehicle or you have plans to upgrade in the future, you can do that. So for the extra few dollars it was, I went ahead and got both just so I had them. You never know what the future might bring for RCing. So huge shout out to PPS on their designs. I actually think he came out with another design change recently, but I'm really happy with what I got here. In addition to that, I've already had the center brace for the differential installed previously. Been really happy with that. There. But I got the top plate as well, which goes, there's a shot of that. Again, this logo's on there. See all the milling. And then that goes down over top of your differential holder, and you can purchase the roll cage bolts. So your roll cage can still bolt onto the top of that, and that all connects. So really, really, really nice quality. So old electronics. Here is the new Esc Max. You can see the size difference there, but quite a bit larger. Everything does fit really well. In a previous video, I had already shown you guys, I went to the M2C Racing ESC plate. There's a part number there if you're interested. The nice thing about this plate, these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 there, match up to the underside of this, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I am going to take East Tactics advice, and I'm planning on putting some sorbethane right in this area to help absorb some impact for those hard landings. Actually, in an upcoming video, you guys will see I did get a mod box win from him, and can't wait. I've had some smaller, inexpensive fans on a some 30mm fans that I've been using. They weren't quite cooling down the motor in the hot temperatures and whatnot, so he's actually sending me in the mod box new fans, so I'm really excited about that. And Esc Mount, and that offsets it so you can put your roll bar on there still. So there's a lot of cool stuff coming in that mod box that I'm excited about. The truck has already come a long way transformation wise, but there's still more to go, you know, always evolving. I'm gonna match that with a Tekno, there it is, 22 tooth pinion. I did buy the 21 and the 20 just in case this was maybe a little too much, but with those fans coming from East Tactics, I'm really excited about that. Now prior to that, I picked up this Traxxas 3362, and it is a heatsink. It's the only one I could find at my local hobby shop. I mean, look at those fins, they're just massive. That would fit this size motor can. And it fits on there really, really tight, snug. Just snaps right over top of it, and there's no play. So might integrate that. It does have a flat spot to bolt things on. I'm just not sure on how tall that's going to sit, you know, in the truck once that's all in there. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see. So to help me with the programming, I know you can do the buttons and pushing, but with my local hobby shop, they have kind of a rewards program. So I ended up getting this for free with my points. And so I got the multifunction LCD programming box from Hobbywing. Just makes it so you can read off and program your module without having to listen to the beeps and guess if it's the right setting you're looking for. This will do a lot of the easy runs and a bunch of others. So, but if you're interested, that was a really good deal to add on there. So I am excited about getting the new electronics installed. East Tactics mod box coming. You know, the ESC plate, the motor mounts, kind of thing I wanted to show you guys. This is the stock cover. Goes over the ESC. So I found a guy that does 3D molded covers, which I don't know if I'm gonna end up utilizing. I'm gonna have to check them out when East Tactics cover ESC plate arrives, because I like the fact that it's kind of offset. This is a direct fit as well, but it allows for 40mm fans to be bolted on and gives it a little bit of spacing. I have test fitted this. It fits perfectly. Almost got to snap it onto place, but really well constructed. And this is from ECSRC. They do a lot of different things, fans as well. So if you guys are interested, check them out. I did get that on eBay, but I know they have a website and a store, Facebook site. So I'll try to link that down below so you guys can check that out as well. I did get some fan covers already, which I have more coming, which I think are going to be a little bit more unique. But these are from Pyro-Nitro on eBay. They are 3D printed, super solid. I love the fact that he leaves a ridge so that the fan is not directly touching the comb guard there. So there's enough spacing there that the fan won't touch it. I had burnt out some fans because that didn't exist on it. So, and then of course some more skid protectors for the body. That's another thing that's coming in the mod box, I believe. So with all the extra parts that I've been accumulating, of course with all the stuff I've been taking off of this, wasn't necessarily broken. My son, who's 18, has kind of started to have some interest in this, and I think I'm just going to build him another truck to be able to bash with me, and we have something fun to do together. So I'll keep you guys updated on that as well. Pyro-Nitro, he actually contacted me, and we'll be doing a giveaway coming up real soon. He was nice enough to send me some products, and huge shout out to him. His stuff is just great, and I love the flexibility of it. Some of these things that they make are super tough, which in theory was okay, but the body's not completely flat. So having the flexibility to this makes it so much easier to bolt on. It gives you all the hardware and all the bolts underneath, and so I can't say enough about this guy. So I will also link that down in all my videos from now on. And like I said, next video coming up will be the mod box. I'm gonna do my own giveaway on some products and just share the wealth. Show people that are watching these videos that I care about the RC community, and I want to give back as well. I like the fact that Esc Tactics is doing that. Any parts I don't use from Esc Tactics, I might pay it forward with, which I do plan on using most of them because they're really great ideas that he comes up with. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, just want to make a quick video to wrap things up and show you guys what I got going on. And when the fans get here, I'll be installing those and finishing all this up. So until then, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. Thanks again.